Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun Digital. If you're new on this channel, I just want to say thank you for joining today's video. Thank you for watching this video right now. And if you're yet to subscribe, you know what, you want to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can keep your coin on Binance and you are making percentage on that money you're keeping. You get, so that's what I want to show you, how you can keep your money on Binance and you're making percentage on that money you're keeping. Okay, so let's go to Binance first. You have to locate your Binance on phone, and if you have not registered on Binance, if you have not registered on Binance, I'm gonna be dropping the link in my description box of this video. Just use the link to register on Binance straight away. So when you have a Binance and your account is verified, click on it on your phone, then you log in. So I'm waiting for it. So once I log in, once you log into your phone, this is what you get. You get something like this. So you see something like this. So when you see something like this, all you just need to do is you want to save your money on Binance, and you are getting percentage. So this is the save button here. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me go back to Binance. Okay, now this is the save button. If you click on this save button to see what's going on next, so click on it, and you get something like this. Okay, so now you say, if you say this coin, Tokyo coin, if you save it for some time, um, this is mind you, this is flexible lock, so we're on flexible. Okay, so if you save this Tokyo, you can save this, you can save BTC, you can save that USDT, all of those things. You can click on lock, you can lock it for some days. Okay, so lock, if you lock it for 15 days, you're gonna get 15% on your coin. If you lock this one for 15 days, you get 20%. Lock is 25%, just like that, for 15 days, 15 days, 15 days. So if I want to lock mine, now you can lock this one, two, this for 90 days, you get 7%. No, this is for 7 days, you get you lock your USDT, this USDT for 7 days, you get 4%, 4.24% on your money. You can do 14 days, 30 days, 90 days. If you lock this BUSD for 7 days, you get this, or 14 days, 30 days, 90 days. So depend on how long do you want to lock it for. So let's go back to the very top. So I want to do these 25 mx, no, 40, let's do 45 for 14 days. If I lock fund for 40 days, 14 days, how much? If I then let me see, 30 days, then let me see, days, 15 days, so 14 days, I'm gonna get. So if I want to say I want to log this fund now, this fund, okay, if I want to log fund for 14 days, let's try that out. So what you need to do is click on subscribe on that particular one, and now what you need to do is you need to have money in fund. So first thing, I'm gonna go back to fund, to my account, to convert my USDT to fund, then I can lock it here. All right, so let's go back. I'll click back, then click back again, go to my wallet, how much USDT do I have here? I have 44 USDT. You can see I have 44 USDT. So let's go. I'll click on market. When I click on market, then I want to search for fund. So click on search, FUN. Then I'm going to click anyone that has fund forward slash USDT. Okay, so click on that, and Now I want to buy. Click on buy, and I want to use everything, all my money. So I'm gonna click on 100%. Okay, so I'm gonna click on 100%. Then I will click on buy fund. Okay, so I want to buy fund. Then I'm gonna refresh by drawing this down, just drawing the screen down. That's how you refresh. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Draw it down to refresh. Okay, it has gone, because if it hasn't gone, you will see it here. So it has gone through. So, okay, so now I'm gonna go back to wallet. You can see fund is here right now. Fund, see fund. Okay, so let's go. I'll go back to home, click home, then click save again, savings, then click lock, then look for fund again. This is fund. Click on subscribe on fund, click subscribe, then I'm gonna click on max. So I'm waiting for it to load. It's still loading. You can see it's still loading. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is click on max. That means everything maximum. So I'm gonna click on max. So 24. So after that, I'm gonna click on I've read and agree to Binance service agreement. So click on that. Then I'll click on this. Okay. But before I click on this, I need to uncheck this, because it shows that automatically renew with flexible saving. If I want to do it again and again and again, okay, after 14 days, I want to do it again. After 14 days, but I'm not going to automatically renew it. So you can renew it or you can leave it. So let's do automatically renew. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Okay, it says something. All right, so it said there is I didn't get it. There are not enough. Enough what? Enough in your asset balance. Okay, that means what I have here is not enough to do this work. Okay, it's not enough. So what I need to do is I need more money. So let's see 60 days. How much would that cost us? Is it enough? Okay. Because lot says lot size is 100 fund, and I need 1,000 individual max, 4.2.4 k. Oh, the money I have here is not enough. uh, okay, well, that's how you lock it. Well, click minimum of if I have up to 50 USDT, I'm good to go, but because it's too small, it's not really enough to do it. Let's see if 30 days is okay. So what I have here is not enough. Okay, so let's go back. Let's search for. So I'm gonna do USDT. How many USDT do you have? Okay, this one has sold out. I can't do this one again. So whenever you see anyone like this, you know you can't do it again. This is what I'm trying to say. Like you see here, says the product has sold out. Okay, so I can't do it. So whenever you see something like this that say check, 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 you can't do them again. Sold out. So what do I do? Oh, 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 oh. Let's see MDX. How many do I need? I need about 10 MDX. Oh, how much is it? Okay, let's go. Let's try MDX. Let's go back to market. Let's go back to market. Click on fund. Search for fund USDT. Fund. I want to return my money back to USDT. Then sell it. Go back to USDT. Refresh. It's still in process of selling it back to USDT. Can cancel it. Do it again. Again. Can off my network. On it again. So refresh. I have to let it go. So while I'm waiting, if you're yet to subscribe on my channel, you know what, just click on the subscribe button, because on this channel I give you information on how to make money online, tools that can help you to make money online, and also cryptocurrency. That's what we do here. How you can make money through cryptocurrency. Okay, so I'm waiting for this thing to just sell for me, sell it back to USDT. Let me try this other method. Fun. Fun is not there. Fun isn't there. Oh, my network is just slow. Okay, it's too slow. It's too slow. I don't know why. My network is just slow. I don't know why. So it's fine now. So let's go back here. We have our USDT back. So let's try MDX. So MDX. Let's search for MDX. MDX. MDX USDT. Buy. Click on buy. 100%. Okay, let's go. Buy MDX. Alright, so let's go back home. Settings. Let's look for some days. So let's look for MDX. MDX for 15 days. Subscribe. Max. Click on max. 3. Oh, this is not enough. We need about 10 of it. Oh, it was gone. That's good. So we've locked MDX. MDX locked theory with V theory. For so go to saving. So we'll leave it for 14 days. So we've locked MDX for 14 days. And what we get is 25% of, of our money. 25%. Here you are. You see this. 25% for 15 days. Alright. So how do you see your locked fund? So if you want to see the locked fund, all you just need to do, come to your wallet. So click wallet right here. Okay, click wallet, come to any. Click wallet, come to any. If you click on click on any. Sorry about this. Okay, you're gonna see your money there. You're gonna see your lock fund here. You see the lock fund. Is it so for 14, 15 days? And also you can see it here when you come to overview here. When you click on overview, you can always scroll down to see it here also. Sorry. So I locked 16,700 and something. I'm locking it for 15 days with 25% profit. So that's the end of how that's how you can lock your fund in on Binance and make money just locking your fund. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you see value in this video that I just shared with you, okay, I just want you to do me a favor, just like this video, give the videos a thumbs up, and do what, drop a comment that, oh, let's make money on Binance. Just drop the more comment there, let us make money on Binance. And you can share this video to friends, and please, if you've not subscribed, please help me subscribe to be part of the family, turn on the notification bell. Okay, thank you so much. Till I come your way again, bye.